My name is Ankur Puri and I head up the wholesale network services business for NTT ICT in the ANZ region. I've been working in this industry for about 15 years, mainly managing international carrier sales and developing strategic relationships with carriers and ISPs in the region. Talking about NTT means we're one of the largest carriers globally, with one of the biggest reach in terms of connectivity. We cover about 190 countries globally, which is as good as you can be anywhere and we can connect you. So, and with that comes the user experience, which could be consistent across the globe when you're choosing us. So you can go to South America, you can go to US, you can go to Europe, Asia Pac, Southeast Asia, which is a very dynamic market and growing, and the companies are trying to come into Asia as well. So those are the global the global reach that NTT provides across the three regions is a massive advantage for any customer who's looking to expand globally. NTT is also ranked as number 2 in the Tier 1 IP backbone wholesale service provider. So that gives the customers comfort that they're relying on a service provider who can actually cover the globe, provide a consistent experience, is ranked amongst the top 3 carriers globally. In addition to that, NTT also invests quite a lot in subsea cable capacities. So we are always ensuring that there is a redundant path available to the customer if a primary path goes down. One of the advantages that I would also like to point out is NTT's flexibility. Even being one of the top ranked carriers, they are very flexible and agile with local support. So you have someone who you can talk to on a day-to-day basis. If you look at China, for example, we've got about 600 people on the ground in China. So if you need Chinese support, you have people on the ground. If you need someone to come out and support you in your office, you've got those people coming out. You look at India, we've invested in India, we bought certain companies in India where we are trying to enforce our presence in that country. So those are the growing countries you look at. So that is the level of support that NTT looks at providing. When it comes to customer support, after sales support, that's one of the advantages again that NTT brings through. Means you're not speaking to a level 1 customer support when you call into NTT's NOC. You're speaking to an engineer who knows what's going on in the network, who can actually fix an issue if there is an issue. And most of the times when a customer calls into the NOC, they might already be aware that there's an issue ongoing and they would be able to respond or proactively respond to the customer in saying that this is already being worked on, these are the SLAs or these are the time frames that we're looking at fixing this issue. So those are really important things that NTT brings on the table. And in addition to that, means we don't only sit on our laurels of what is existing and what we can do now. We are investing about $3.5 billion every year in our R&D. So customers can rely on newer technologies coming out that NTT can support, or even improvements in the existing technology or existing services that we are providing to the customer. If you want more information on our network services, please visit our website or give us a call.